Okay, dear students, now I am going to explain ninth problem in exercise 12.2. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 into root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. So this is the given problem. So first draw a neat diagram according to the given problem. So there is a jet plane like this. Okay, now this is the jet plane. Height is 1500 root 3 meters. 1500 root 3 meters. Okay, so this is the horizontal line like this. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A, suppose this is the point A. So the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, now so if the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters and next after a flight of 15 seconds, suppose after 15 seconds ki, so it travels some distance. Okay, it travel some distance. So now this time the angle of elevation is changes into 30 degrees. Okay, so this is the diagram from the given problem for the given problem. So name the points like this. So A, B, C, D and E. Okay, first please write down what are given. Height of the jet plane. Height of the jet plane is equal to BC, that equal to DE. So this one also 1500 root 3 meters, that equal to 1500 root 3 meters. And next given angle of elevations, given angles of elevation, that equal to 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, this is the given information. And next we have to find the speed of the jet plane. Speed, what is the formula for speed? Distance by time. Okay, already time is given, so we have to find the travel distance for 15 seconds. Okay, that's why we have to find BD value. Okay, in this problem we have two angles, so that's why there are two right angle triangles. Okay, so please take one right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now 60 degrees. So take a trigonometric ratio. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side CB or BC by adjacent side AB. So what is the value of tan 60 root 3? That equal to BC. BC is 1500 root 3. 1500 root 3 by AB value. We don't know AB. So write AB. Okay. So now root 3 cancel, and therefore AB is equal to 1500 meters. Okay, now this is 1. And next take a second right angle triangle. In triangle ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degrees, angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, again take a trigonometric ratio. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side DE by adjacent side AD. Okay, so tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. That equal to DE value is 1500 root 3. 1500 root 3 by what is AD? AD is AB plus BD. AB plus BD. Okay, now already we know AB value. So do the cross multiplication. AB plus BD is equal to 1500 root 3 into this root 3. So AB value is 1500. So substitute AB value plus BD, that equal to 1500. Root 3 is 3. So 1500 plus BD is equal to 4500. Okay, now so BD is equal to 4500 minus, bring this 1500 to this side, it will be minus 1500. So BD is equal to, so 0 0 0 okay, 3000. So BD is 3000 meters. So here we know BD value. So therefore distance, traveled distance, plane traveled distance, distance of jet plane is equal to BD, that equal to 3000 meters. Now find the speed of the jet plane. Speed of the jet plane is equal to speed distance by time. Okay, now so that is equal to, distance is 3000 by time is 15 seconds. Okay, so if we cancel this one, 200 meters per second. Okay, now so suppose if we want to change this speed into kilometer per second, so speed is equal to 200 into 18 by 5. We have to multiply with 18 by 5. So suppose if we want to convert the speed into kilometers per hour, then we have to multiply with 18 by 5. So that equal to 40 into 18. So that equal to 720 kilometers per hour or 720 kmph. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. Thank you.